most respected teachers, distinguished parents, and all my loving students. First of all, wish you all happy Independence Day. As you know that today we all gathered here to celebrate and commemorate our 78th Independence Day. This is a very special day for us because on this very day we got freedom. We got freedom from the British rules. The Britishers who made us slave more than 200 years. It is the right day to celebrate and commemorate the independence. My dear students, we are very lucky that we are born in independent nation. Can you just recall before independence how much challenges, how many sacrifices and how many problems were faced? Today all these have been reformed. You know that there are lots of revolution, lots of movement is being run under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and lots of martyrs like Bhagat Singh, the person, the man who started the revolution. So this is the right day, 15th of August 1947, in which it was the end of colonial rule. Colonial, that means British rule. And this is the day of free India. So at the time of independence, we were faced lots of problems like poverty, education, like racism, discrimination. But now, 15th August 2024, we are one of the most emerging country in the world. This is the right day to celebrate and commemorate the day of independence. My dear students, you know that patriotism now a word which means to love the country. To love the country by full of heart, only for the betterment of the nation. This is known as patriotism. But being a patriotic on the day of Republic Day and Independence Day is not the rule for all. This is not a patriotic. A patriotic is the backbone of the nation. So uploading status in Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp and showing your patriotism is not like that. Patriotism is like to defend your country against the enemies. Defend your country against all up and down whichever the problems are facing. Recently we are overcome from COVID-19. There are lots of people. They have helped. They come out from their home. They step out from their home only for the betterment of the nation. Service of mankind in the service of nation. This is also a patriotism. It doesn't mean either you are uploading the status on Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram. This is not a patriotism. Patriotism means need to help the people, those who are in the state of emergency. So there are lots of movement is being done. So never ask what country has given to you. Always ask yourself what you can do for your country. And whenever you have the desire to do something, always keep in your mind that when there is a righteousness in the heart, then there is a beauty in the character. When there is a beauty in the character, then there is a harmony in the home. When there is a harmony in the home, then there is a order in the nation. And when there is a order in the nation, then only there will be a peace in the world. So, बात ये हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशन होंगे चिरागों को जलाए रखना. बात ये हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशन होंगे चिरागों को जलाए रखना. लहू देकर हिफाजत की है जिसने, ऐसे तिरंगे की शान को हमेशा बनाए रखना, ऐसे तिरंगे की शान को हमेशा बनाए रखना. जय हिंद, जय भारत.